Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the Midland ER310 emergency crank weather AM/FM radio. This is a popular choice for preppers, campers, and anyone who wants to be prepared for emergencies. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First, the design. The ER310 is rugged and feels solid in the hand. It's built with a shock-resistant casing and is water-resistant, so it can handle a few drops or a splash. The controls are straightforward, with big buttons that are easy to operate even with gloves on. The front face has a digital display that shows the time, battery level, and the radio frequency. It's simple, but effective. Now, the key feature, power options. This radio can be powered in multiple ways, which is crucial during a blackout. It has a built-in hand crank, a solar panel, and also works with 3 AA batteries. The hand crank is efficient. About a minute of cranking gives you around 30 minutes of radio at moderate volume, or about 10 minutes of flashlight use. The solar panel is a bonus, but it's slow to charge, so don't rely on it unless you have plenty of sunlight and time. Batteries are your most reliable backup. The radio itself performs well. The AM and FM reception are decent for a portable unit. But the real star is the NOAA weather band. It can receive all 7 NOAA channels, and the alert feature works great. When an emergency alert is broadcast, the radio automatically switches to the weather band and sounds a loud siren. This is a lifesaver in severe weather situations. The flashlight is surprisingly bright. It's an LED bulb with a steady mode and a strobe for signaling. There's also an SOS beacon that flashes the Morse code distress signal. These are handy additions. Another thoughtful touch is the USB output. You can use the radio's battery to charge your phone in an emergency. It's slow, but it can keep your phone alive for a call or a text. That's a big plus. The build quality is good, but there are a few downsides. The solar panel is mostly a gimmick. It's too small to be practical. And the crank, while sturdy, is a little stiff at first, but it'll loosen up. The lack of a headphone jack is a miss for some, but not a deal breaker. In terms of value, the Midland ER310 is reasonably priced for what you offer. It's not perfect, but it's a reliable, feature-packed radio that can be a lifeline in an emergency. So, who should buy this? If you live in an area prone to storms, flooding, or other natural disasters, this is a smart investment. It's also great for camping or hiking trips where you want a reliable communication backup. Overall, the Midland ER310 is a solid choice. It does exactly what it needs to do, and the emergency features could genuinely make a difference when the power goes out. If you want peace of mind, this radio is a good pick. That's it for this review. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more gear reviews. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Affiliate disclosure. This video and description may contain affiliate links. If you purchase through them, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps support the channel. We only recommend products we genuinely believe in. Thank you for your support.